Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys some contact lenses sent to me by a company called EYEWA, and I'm pretty sure I'm saying that correctly. This is a sponsored video. They sent me these contacts for free. As you guys might have been able to tell from my Instagram posts, if you guys follow me, I have been really into contact lenses, colored contact lenses. I just think it's super fun to be able to like kind of change up your look a little bit. I'm not saying that I'm unhappy with my brown eyes because I've grown to like really actually like my eyes. So I just want to get that out of the way. It's not that I wish I had like different colored eyes or whatever, but it's just really fun for me to kind of like change it up a little bit. So this is going to be an unboxing video, and I actually have had this for a few days now, but I haven't been able to film, so today I get to open it for the first time ever, and I'm so excited. So I have no idea what's in here. We're gonna take a look together, so yay. So this is from EYEWA. Also, I'm going to apply the contact lenses. I'm going to show you guys how I care for them and how I apply my contact lenses. I'm wearing eyelashes today, so it's probably gonna be kind of weird. My eyes usually tend to water up a lot when I apply contact lenses. It's just because my eyes are very sensitive. But anyway, yeah, so if you guys want to check out their website, it's just eyewa.com. I don't know if you're able to see that. But anyway, let's do this because I'm excited. It's just really cute. It says you look spectacular. Get it? Specs. Yeah, I haven't opened up this. As you can see, the little sticker is still on there. Super adorable packaging. One of my favorite colors here. There is a discount code for you guys. It's just Liberty, my name. So that's really exciting. If you guys want a little discount, say a little bit of cash monies on your contact lenses, then definitely use that code. Let's go ahead and take a look what's in here. They have like little tissue paper with little eyeglasses. Okay, little eyeglasses and their little logo. And then on the inside it has some of these little shredded tissue paper, I guess is what it's called. Let's take a look. Ooh, this is so exciting. Wow, you guys, I'm seriously so excited right now. This is pretty legit. So this is what I got. I got Fresh Look One Day Color contact lenses. Ooh, I got 3 different ones. I don't know what shades they are though. We'll take a look at that in a second. Oh, Mystic Hazel. They're all Mystic Hazel. So these ones you can only use for one day, and I've never actually worn any of those kinds before, so I'm really interested in seeing like how these ones are. And then here is it says Natural Colors Graphite. So we'll open that up in a second and see what that looks like. And then I also got this little Bella Elite, which is one of their different collections in Sandy Gray. So we'll take a look at that. And then they sent these little contact lens case. Also, what is this in here? Oh, cute. So customize your EYEWA lens case. Write your lens color on the first sticker. Write the replacement date on the second sticker. That's kind of cool. Awesome. Yay. I'm so excited to try these. Okay. So that's that. Let's take a look at the contact lenses themselves. So this has like a little sticker on the box. Cool. So this is the I'm like about to drop it. This is the container. Ooh, these are really pretty, guys. I'm not gonna try on all of these. I'll probably try on the one day ones. But if you guys want to follow my Instagram, I'll definitely post photos of me wearing these because every time I put colored contacts in, I always take pictures of myself. So these are the Sandy Gray, and they're very subtle. They're gonna look really natural. Then I want to take a look at these Natural Colors one here. This is the one that says Graphite. The stickers come off fairly easy. It doesn't like rip apart. Cool. This is like a little kit. So this also contains a little pod or case for your contact lenses, and then it also has the 2 contacts in here. It says Graphite, but they look like a really light blue. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a super light blue. So these ones are actually, I've had other contacts before with similar cases like this, or like little jars, and these are a little tricky for me to open, but I think that's because I don't have long nails. This is the last thing actually, is this pack of one day contact lenses. These are the hazel ones, I believe. Yeah, Mystic Hazel. So I guess we're gonna have hazel eyes today. They come in like a little flat rectangular box like this. Oh, you guys, this is super cool. It comes with wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I was confused. This is what comes inside. So this is really awesome. You get like you get 5 pairs. Can't do math apparently. Yes, so we're gonna try these ones today. I'll show you guys how I put my contacts in. First, you wanna start with clean hands. I don't have a prescription, but you can get a prescription. I wanna say, the way I care for my contact lenses is you definitely need contact solution. I use the Equate. It's like an off-brand of like more expensive ones. I mean, this is like common sense. I feel like everybody knows how to do this. But yeah, it normally tells you right, left, and then you just pour the solution in here. Close it back up. You can put your contacts in there. So you can take them off like this. Oh shoot! I spilled water on me because I started to open it, and then I figured out you can rip them off like this into little individual ones. There's already liquid in here, and to be honest, I don't know if like this is contact solution that's in here or if it's like a different formula, but I always just assume that it's safe to go into the eyes, but I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and squirt a little bit of my contact solution on this just to clean it off, make sure that it is safe to go in my eye. I normally just rub it around my hand like this. You don't want the contact lens to be too wet, and this is just how I apply my contact lenses. Everybody probably has their own way, but this is like what's easiest for me. And keep in mind, I'm wearing makeup, I'm wearing mascara, so if my eyes get watery, which sometimes I do cry, because like I said, I have sensitive eyes. Keep in mind, this is just how I do it. And I'm only using one hand. Normally I use 2 hands. Normally what I do is I'll take one finger and I'll like pull my eyelid down, but I'm not gonna be doing it that way because I'm filming and have to hold a mirror close for my eye. I have it on the tip of my finger like this, and I normally just look up and I'll place it on. Oh no, my eyelash is coming off. That's how I do it. You have to like let it set. So you close your eye and you kind of just let it set right in place. Because at first it kind of like moves around a bunch. Okay, so this is with the contact lens. This is without. All right, I'm gonna have to do this one with 2 hands in the mirror because I am not left-handed, and this is gonna be really weird to put in with one hand. Okay, put it in. I just need to let it set in place. Normally what I like to do is I like to close my eyes and just kind of move it around, like move my eyeball around. So far this one's still adjusting to my eye. This one's already completely adjusted, like it's not moving at all. This one, I feel like it's gonna start watering in a second here. That's what this one did when I first put it in. So ignore my lashes because they're probably gonna be popping off here in a minute. Overall, I think that these contact lenses are amazing. I've said this before about other contact lenses, that it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, but these ones literally, I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. I feel like they fit my eyes so much better than any other brand that I've worn before. I like that they're subtle. You can't really tell that I'm wearing contact lenses. It just looks so natural. This one I can still kind of feel it a little bit, but that's how this one was at first too. This one's adjusted to my eye completely 100%. Like when I look around, it's not blurry. I don't see the colored part. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. Usually, you know, I'll get a little tickle here and there, but this one, like, this is really nice. I feel like no one would even think to ask me if I'm wearing contact lenses. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you're definitely gonna be seeing me wearing contact lenses whenever I feel like getting all dolled up. So if you guys wanna check out their website, I'll have the link down below. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. Subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications. Yeah, so sitting here and like babbling like I always do, when I said that this one was still adjusting to my eye, it's like completely adjusted now. So I would say it takes a couple minutes to adjust to my eyes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I also want to say, you know, that my opinions are always honest. If I don't like a product, I just don't talk about it, or I don't film it, or I don't post it, or whatever. I cannot talk today, but yeah. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.